Taking care of the black water tank is my favorite part of RVing. Said no RVer ever, we all know that RV toilets work a little bit different than the ones we have back at home. So it is so important to be extra careful with your RV's black water tank so that it won't cause those unpleasant odors, clogs, or burps. Here are 3 time-saving tips to keep your RV black water tank running smoothly. Tip number 1 is do not use your RV toilet as a garbage disposal, meaning do not throw your food scraps from your dinner plate into your RV toilet and then flush it. You're also not going to want to flush diapers or baby wipes or fruit peels or any sort of harsh chemicals or sanitary products. You may think that if you flush it down your RV toilet, it's gone, but trust me, it is not. They get stuck in the tank, they get stuck in the pipes, and then boom, there you go. You'll have a smelly, clogged RV toilet. Only flush human waste and toilet paper made for RVs. Blackwater tanks are made to only handle human waste and tissues that are made specifically for RVs that dissolve fast. Tip number 2 is to always keep your black water tank valve closed, even when hooked up to a sewer connection. Keep it closed or else you will experience one of the worst things in an RV, which is the poop pyramid. Keep the water tank valve closed until at least it's 2/3 full, and this will help prevent solids from building up and ensures a more effective flush when you actually empty the tank. Only open the black tank valve when emptying the black tank into a ground sewer connection. Then immediately put fresh water and treatment chemicals back into the tank. Tip number 3 is to use a bio-accelerator cleaning solution, like Accelerator by Dr. Pooper RV Boat and Small Waste Systems Cleaner. Bioaccelerators accelerate the reproduction and the activity of the natural bacteria found in an RV blackwater tank, which can significantly improve its functionality and its cleanliness. This thing, it leads to faster breakdown of waste and reduced odors and prevents that nasty buildup. Accelerator by Dr. Pooper RV Boat and Small Waste Systems Cleaner increases the population of the bacteria in your RV by about 40 times. And this massive bacteria population, well, it helps break down the organic matter more effectively, reducing that unpleasant odor often associated with blackwater tanks. Plus, with all that more bacteria actively breaking down the waste, there's going to be way less chance of solids accumulating, causing blockages in the tanks or also in the plumbing. It also keeps your sensors clean. It's super easy to use. Simply flush 1 scoop into your black water tank after cleaning, and then every other 2 or 3 days during travel. And by following these 3 time-saving tips, you can keep your RV black water tank running smoothly. So it's time to get back on the road.